Hi everyone. To start the game that we're going to, and to start, here we have the question. The animals on a camping. We are going to start, and the first question is: are you going to see elephants on your trip? Are you sure? Are you going to see elephants on your trip? I don't know. You? Yes or no? No. Okay. The question is: how many years can an elephant live for? We have three options. We have 50 years, 60 years, or 20 years. What do you think? Do you think that is going to be... I'm going to give you 5 seconds to think about in your mind. Okay? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 50 years? 70 years? Yes, 70 years. Okay? 70 years. Next question. Okay, next question. And on your camping trip, are you going to play with these monkeys on your trip? Do you like these monkeys? Yes, and are you going to play with them? You're not sure? Okay. The next question is, question number 2. What color is a baby baboon? This is a baboon, okay? What color is a baby baboon, the monkey of this picture, for the first 2 months? For the first 2 months, when it's a baby, okay? Which color is it? 5 seconds to think about. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, maybe brown? Maybe brown? Oh, no. The answer is black. When they are baby, they are black. Next question. Is your mother going to give camels water on your trip? Is your mother going to give water to the different camels? To camels? No? No. Okay, question number 3. As you can see, the question is going to be related to camels. How many months can a camel live without water? They can live without drinking water. So what is your answer? 10 months, 3 months, o 19 months. ¿Cuánto tiempo pueden vivir sin agua, without water? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Maybe 10 months? Yes, 10 months. Next question. And talking about Tita, is your sister or brother going to run like a cheetah on your trip? It's going to run like a cheetah very fast or not? Maybe your brother or your sister? No, I don't think so. Okay, and the next question is, what is the maximum speed a cheetah can run? We have 3 different options. 80 kilometers per hour, puede correr 80 kilómetros por hora. 100 kilometers per hour or 145 kilometers per hour. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, it's 100 kilometers per hour. Good job. And now we're going to talk about rhinos. Are your friends going to see a rhino's horn? A horn is this part. And we have the question that is, what is a rhino's horn made out of? ¿De qué está hecho? What is the material? Okay, we have 3 options. Hair-like fibers, son las fibras como del pelo, del mismo pelo. bone, de hueso, o metal. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, yes, it's the best one. Good job. Okay, great job. And now, talking about plants, we continue with plants. Remember that we are studying going to, and they are plants. And are you going to be in the water with flamingos on your trip? Are you going to be there? Okay, yes or no. Maybe you are afraid of flamingos. Okay. Okay, and the question that we have to answer is, what color are flamingos' feathers? Feathers, las plumas, feathers, when they are born. They can be orange, pink, or gray. What do you think? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What do you think about? Yes, great. They are gray. Good job. Okay. Amazing. Next question. Oh, your cousin. Cousin is without G. No lleva esta G, ¿vale, chicos? And your cousin, vuestra prima. Is she going to find a tortoise egg on her tree? ¿Encontrará ella un huevo de... Okay, a tortoise egg? What do you think? It's going to be complicated, no? Maybe she's not going to find it. I think so. Okay, and the question is, how many eggs does a giant tortoise lay? How many eggs? Between 9 and 25? Between 1 and 10? And between 15 to 30? ¿Cuántos huevos? How many eggs? 5, 4, 3, 2. So the answer is between 9 and 20, 25 eggs. Okay, good job. Good job. And this one, the biggest true seals, the seals, okay, are massive, weighing up to how many? Weighing means el peso, okay? Maybe it's going to be the first option, 900 kilograms, 3,855 kilograms, or 70 kilograms. What do you think about 5, 4, 3, 2, 1? What do you think? 70? 900? No. This option, okay? They are too heavy, okay? They are too heavy. Let's see the results. Have you count your points? The results. Let's see. Come on. Okay, don't worry. Remember, if you have from 1 to 4 correct answers, you are a very, very good player. No, you are a bad player. Okay, 1 second, I'm going to open here. No ha salido, chicos. A ver, vamos a abrirlo aquí. Okay, listen, if you have from 0 to 4 correct answers, you are not a very good player. If you have from 5 to 7 correct answers, you are a good player. But if you have 8 correct answers, you are a very good player. Okay, so very good job. You did it very well, and see you in the next activity.